Makita's 12-inch dual-beveled sliding compound miter saw packs accuracy, capacity, and efficiency into a convenient compact design. Featuring a 15-amp direct drive motor with soft start, this low-maintenance saw delivers 3,200 RPMs of constant power, while maintaining a constant blade speed under load for smooth, high-quality cuts. It's engineered for accuracy, with an in-front bevel lock, a linear ball bearing system, and built-in laser guide to help you get precise cuts time after time. It's also been designed with a large vertical capacity, cutting vertically nested crown molding up to 8 inches, baseboards up to 6 3/4 inches, and making perfect 15-inch cross cuts at 90 degrees. Plus, its compact design makes great use of space with a unique 2-steel rail sliding system that offers a reduced footprint for operation flush against a wall. And at only 65 pounds, it's easy to bring from one job site to the next. So if you're in the market for a compact saw that combines accuracy, capacity, and efficiency, this Makita is a great option. You can find this product and more like it at the Home Depot or homedepot.ca.